If your pond looks gunky and green, it's because it needs an oxygen-rich environment to be healthy. Without oxygen, your pond becomes anaerobic, meaning that all the organisms in your pond that require oxygen to live start to die off. An aeration stone is placed at the bottom of your pond. Your aeration stone will hook up to the included air hose, and both parts are weighted so they won't float to the surface, even when filled with air. Plug-and-play wiring from solar panels and pump easily click into place. Then, as air bubbles mix with your pond water, cold water from the bottom of the pond lifts up to the top, and warmer, oxygen-rich water cycles down to the bottom. Not only does this increase the levels of oxygen in your pond, but it also breaks up the pond's thermocline, which is essentially a layering of various temperatures of water. The lowest layers become the most oxygen depleted, limiting the places where your fish and microorganisms can survive. By providing oxygen to your water and breaking up the thermocline, you dramatically reduce fish kill and odorous pond scum, turning your pond into the thriving and beautiful ecosystem it was always meant to be. Is the only solar-powered air compressor kit in the world that has everything you need to rejuvenate your pond in a single box. No chemicals needed.